Can natural hair be cared for with products for just $1 from the dollar store? I'm going to see if I can pull this off.
Effective but cheap is the goal.
Can't see. You can't see me, okay? Now you can see me if I look down. What's up, Kinks crew? It's yours truly, Scotty. Welcome back to my natural hair channel, Locks of Kinks. I know you're thinking, who in their right mind will shop for natural hair products at the dollar store? But after the holidays, I'm wiped and needed to save some money, so I thought, bingo, Dollar Tree haul. I looked at all the products that this Dollar Tree had to offer, or what was left, but ultimately I ended up grabbing just the necessities. I grabbed the Salon Selectives conditioner because it has 60% more, so I'm getting more for my money. It also says it's paraben free and sulfate free, so I'm going to use this as a detangler. I grabbed a argan oil deep conditioner by Beginnings by Hask because it's supposed to be for dry hair, a leave-in conditioner by Shea Solutions, and last but not least, a argan oil shampoo by Daily Defense. And I usually don't shampoo my hair, but this one says it's moisturizing and has low sulfate, so I thought I'd give it a try. All of the products are water-based and claim to be moisturizing, and as mentioned earlier, effective but cheap is the ultimate goal. First, I'm going to be testing out the Daily Defense shampoo. Like I said, what caught my eye was the less sulfate. Despite the low sulfate, the shampoo is getting a good lather on my hair, as you would imagine any shampoo would. I'm being sure to only focus on my roots and scalp for a good cleanse. Rinsing the shampoo out of my hair, I did not notice any drying in my hair, and my scalp looked pretty clean. I'm using next the Salon Selectives Volume Conditioner to detangle my hair with. I'm hoping it has a lot of slip to make detangling easy. So far, I'm liking this conditioner. Not only is it working well for detangling, but it also smells really good. I hope my hair comes out nicely. I don't think you guys understand the magnitude of the situation. For me to re-up on my usual natural hair products, it will cost me all of about $150. And trust me, I've done the math. Let's just hope that Dollar Tree can save my life for now. Now that my hair is detangled, I'm going to go ahead and apply the repairing treatment, and this is by Beginnings by Hask. I remember this repairing treatment smelling more so like citrus or lemon, and I also bought 2 packs of it, but I only used one. It was so much in that one pack. And what I'm going to do now is just untwist my hair and twist it back up just to work in that repairing treatment into my hair. The directions suggest that I should let this sit in my hair for about 10 minutes, so I'll be right back. After rinsing the repair treatment out of my hair, I could feel like a waxy residue on my hair, and I did not like that. I could feel that actually as I was rinsing. But moving on to Shea Solutions leave-in conditioner. Now this conditioner actually smelled so bad, I decided not to put this in my hair. I just did not want to waste my time with doing that. Just an overall check on my hair. My hair is not dry. It does seem to be pretty moisturized, but I can still feel that waxy feeling from the repair treatment. When you think about Dollar Tree, you think about getting more for less. I will say the conditioner was pretty okay. It wasn't as harsh on my hair as I thought it was going to be, which is good. It doesn't smell all that great, but it doesn't smell all that bad. And I believe this kept most of the moisture in my hair, and it did cleanse my scalp, as you guys could see. Now the conditioner. I enjoy this product. They gave you 60% more as a bonus. For $1, this was really good. I like the way it had a lot of slip in it, just enough for me to detangle my hair, and it smells really good. Like, I would probably use this again as a cheap go-to. These two products were probably my least favorite. The repair conditioning or repair deep treatment conditioner, I did not like this. It left a waxy residue on my hair. Putting it on, it felt really super moisturizing, but as I was rinsing it out, I could feel that waxy residue just sitting on my hair. So this was my least favorite product that I actually used. And with the leave-in conditioner, I did not try this out because it smelled so bad. It smells like old man cologne. It stinks. I was not even about to waste my time with putting this in my hair just to rinse it out, and I can still smell it. It smells. I do not like this. I'm gonna say I don't like the smell. I don't know if it's a good product or not. Maybe I'll keep it on file in the future, but this was a no for me. My favorites were the Daily Defense Argan Oil Moisturizing Shampoo and the Salon Selective Volume Conditioner for a cheap conditioner just for detangling. This was really good. So these are my two favorite products from the Dollar Tree haul. If I had to do this again, I would definitely go to Dollar Tree for these two products. If you're running low on money or trying to save some money, I'm trying to do the very minimum, Dollar Tree I would definitely hit up and see what products work out for you. I forgot to mention I also picked up some styling products, but I probably won't be trying them in this video because I'm putting a protective style in my hair. So ultimately you won't be able to see the results of the products. Maybe I will test them out in another video.